so Rob and I, Rob posed a question to me, so I went in and did a query, and we did carpet cleaning located in Greeley, Colorado, which is where we're located at in this area. And we used two different AIs. We used ChatGPT 4.0, and we used
which is Bing.
Right, which is Bing. I'm sorry, I should say. And then we use Gemini, which is Google.
Yep.
And the results are pretty similar with the way they're going out and gathering data. Little differences, but so Chat, which is the Bing file, they went and they found the top 5, which is a better search result if you're not in the top 3. Where Safari still found the top 3, like the 3-pack, like it does right now with the way Google does searches. When you do ask a Google Assistant to help you, you get the top 3 usually, the 3-pack. And some people call it the local pack. I like that term better in some ways, but whatever it is. But then I made the depth a little bit longer. I said, okay, so I just asked the AI, I said, how did you determine this? And it was really interesting because it said it went out and looked for the information on their website, which goes into that whole schema piece that you were talking about once before. We just talked about that not too long about the importance of the content and updates. And people who have their website developers out there and they don't get it, you're going to be left behind because it really depended a lot more on the website. I mean, in 5 years ago, we said, oh, websites aren't important. It's just a business card. And at the time it was. I mean, it was important to have that presence, but the searches were different. They were done different. People are becoming more conversational. It's not one-word questions. Is a carpet cleaner near me? It's find a carpet cleaner in Greeley, Colorado that does this function for my house. I mean, it's a lot more detailed, and it goes and looks at how your pages are put together and the information on your pages. I think it was really an interesting result. And we have people that are they're trying to geo-target things and things like that. It's not going to matter. I mean, with the AI, it is going to change the way it's done.